So we've added our product, we've added our shipping. Now we're ready to send the product to the client. Acumatica allows you to do that simply and easily by creating your shipment. If we create our shipment and click OK, it'll bring us to the shipping screen. From the shipping screen, we could print a pick list if needed. We've determined we don't need that for this order. You could print the labels, or we can confirm the shipment. We'll go ahead and confirm this shipment to send it to the client. And once that shipment has been confirmed, if you click on the Packages tab, it has loaded for you the tracking number that's associated with this order. If this were a live situation rather than a demo situation, we could have printed the label, and the label would have had the tracking number on that information.